The nature of nature is endless brutal attacks. Lions dominate the grasslands with force. Lions are ready to kill anyone who enters their territory. Have you ever seen a lion attack a leopard? Or a cruel lion eating a hyena? Right now, let's explore. Lions have living with any predators in their territory. Discovering a herd of noisy white dogs in the opposite forest, the dominant male lions fiercely rushed to attack. Too scared, the white dog pups quickly ran away. The white dog pups caught by the male lion were all killed and then eaten on the spot. Hunger is the source of lions' cruel hunts. The lions hide in the bushes. They suddenly approach the zebra herd. When the distance was close enough, the lion began to accelerate and pounce on the nearby zebra, completely giving the zebra no chance to resist. The lion pride begins its meal right at the scene. The hungry black-backed jackal tried to approach the male lion with the intention of getting some food. The thief who created this newspaper greatly underestimated the king of the grasslands. The male lion angrily took his prey and left. The black-backed jackal tried to follow, completely forgetting that this was the territory of the lion pride. The lions were trying to hunt the antelopes nearby, but the appearance of the black-backed jackal ruined everything. The anger was transferred to the black-backed jackal. The lioness frantically chased the black-backed jackal and beat it to death on the spot. Hiding in the bushes, the crocodile quickly took over the food of the lions had just hunted by the water hole. The lion pride surrounded and attacked the powerful buffalo. A wild buffalo that reacted slowly was captured by lions, who surrounded and controlled its prey from all sides. The wild buffalo is becoming quite panicked and confused. The brutal attack of the pride caused the buffalo to gradually weaken and finally fall. The lion pride quickly finishes off its prey and enjoys the meal. Prolonged hunger leaves the cheetahs with no choice. They recklessly hunt in lion territory. Very quickly, the cheetah intrusion was discovered by the dominant male lions. The male lion approached the cheetah, grabbed the cheetah's head, and decisively attacked and killed him on the spot. When hungry, any animal can become a lion's meal. The hippo leisurely foraging on the grasslands is too subjective. Grasslands are where lions can maximize their strength. Once targeted by a lion, the chance of survival is quite low. The lion's attack from behind left the hippo unable to resist and could only accept his fate.